Looking to create a cozy, playful nursery that stands out? The Disney Baby Nemo 3-piece crib bedding set offers exactly that. Bright, vivid colors paired with the softest fabric to keep your little one comfortable all night long. It's more than just bedding. It's a splash of fun that transforms any nursery into a warm, inviting space. What makes this set truly special? It includes an appliqued comforter, a fitted crib sheet, and a dust ruffle, all crafted from 100% polyester microfiber with 100% polyester fiber fill. That means you get a soft, durable fabric that's gentle on baby's skin and easy to care for. The comforter measures a perfect 42 by 33 inches, while the sheet fits a standard 28 by 52-inch crib mattress, designed to fit snugly without slipping. Plus, it's machine washable on a gentle cycle, so cleanup is hassle-free for busy parents. One happy customer put it best: the photos don't do this bedding justice. The colors are far more vivid in person, making the nursery pop with life. The material feels luxuriously soft, adding an extra layer of comfort for baby's restful sleep. Shipping was quick, and the set arrived carefully packed, showing attention to detail from purchase to delivery. If you're ready to add a playful yet cozy touch to your nursery, this Disney Baby Nemo bedding set is worth a look. It blends adorable design with practical features, making it a smart choice for parents who want both style and comfort. Try it when you're ready to create a nursery that's as charming as it is comfortable.